Y'all, it is the next day. It's just been cray. Kai is just, when I took him to the urgent care, I had them swab him for everything just to make sure. And his RSV came back negative, his flu came back negative, his COVID came back negative. Literally everything came back negative. So they're like, it has to just be him teething, in which I already thought. So he's just been a lot. But we love him, and I understand that it is a hard time for him. So we are gonna just, it is harder for him than it is for me. And for that, I will be humble and have grace when it comes to him. So, with that being said, he is home with Dad. I have been with him, so I'm just taking a little breath for the first time in a long time. So, I am actually, this is exciting, I am actually at the nail salon. And I've never been to this one, so I don't even know if there's a wait or anything. So hopefully not. Hopefully these people are not going into it. No. So I'm going to go into this nail salon, get my nails done real quick. I don't even know if this is going to be a new vlog or the same vlog. So if it is a new vlog, good morning and welcome to my channel, guys. It has been crazy. So I'm gonna run into this nail salon. I haven't had my nails done in so long, and I am one that I always have my nails done, but for the last year I haven't been getting my nails done because I don't know, I've been momming, but my nails have just been breaking so bad. So I decided today, it is nail day. It is time to spend some time with myself. And it's even crazier because it just started raining. So let me go in here, get my nails done. Let's see what I do. I just want something very, very simple. Very, very simple. Like a nude color. We will see what I choose. So I will see you when I'm done in here, because I've never been in here, so I don't even know what to expect. So y'all, I'll see y'all when I get back. Love you guys. Y'all, I'm gonna need for this rain to stop before I go anywhere. It just started actually raining, so I'm gonna let this calm down, because you will not catch me walking in this rain. Is this a sign that I need to go home instead? I'm just kidding. Let me take my butt in. This is just an obstacle to get to something that I really want, which is my nails done. So let me get in there now. It's not raining that bad, so let me go in there now real quick before it starts raining real hard. I'll see y'all later. Y'all, it is cold and raining. I'm almost to my car. Hold on. Y'all, my hands are so slippery because of the rain. It is cold outside. Oh my goodness. It's cold, y'all. I just got done with the nail salon, and it's crazy because I picked a nude color, and then I saw one of the workers have this white color, and I was like, what color is that? Because I like that color, but I wanted it to be a little bit lighter than what she had on. So I asked him, can I have that color, but can I have Because you can tell she put like, I don't know, she put a lot of coats, because I put 2 coats and it's not that dark.
Your current car loan, St. Paul Federal Credit Union.
I know hers is a lot. You know what I'm saying? But I really like it. It's so like me. Look. Oh my God, look. Is that not like so simple and cute? The shape is so simple and cute. Like, I love this. I love it. Anyways, also, so I'm happy I got my nails done. I'm gonna be doing this a lot, but I always talk with my hands anyways. So, I'm done with that. I gotta go home because guess what? Oh my God, I don't hear talking to y'all and I got stuff on my lip. Y'all, guess what? My truck is finally done. So, my truck is done. So, we are about to go pick that up. And also, not only did we get it, like whatever was wrong with it fixed, but we also got my, like the back, like the trunk was messed up, and we got that fixed too. Brand new, girl. Okay, I'm very happy about today. So, let me go grab them, force them to take me to Starbucks, and then go get my car. I'm so freaking happy. People probably look at me like, you crazy, and I am. So what? My car fixed. Anyways, y'all, let me hurry up and get there before they go crazy, because I'm taking my sweet old time. So I love y'all. Let me hurry up and get home and get my kids. I mean, get my man and and Kai, and so let's go get our car. Love you guys. Brand new girl. Brand new period. Okay, let me go. All right, y'all. I gotta go. Bye. Y'all, I am coming to get my car from the shop. I'm so excited. I stopped and got myself some Popeyes. Making sure I'm not in the way. Y'all, I had to hurry up and eat something. I had to hurry up and eat something. My phone. Babe, why you do that? Why you do that? My phone fell. Y'all. So I got myself some Popeyes. I think my man making sure my car works. Woo! You need a glove? Oh my God, y'all. I sit so close to the wheel. Ugh. I sit so close to the wheel. I can't do nothing in this car. Anyways, y'all. Yo, let me make sure this car is good. Let me finish eating my food. And I will catch y'all when I'm back in my truck, because your girl is so happy because my truck, I can actually record and it's not like this. So it's okay, Kaka. We're about to go. All right, y'all. I'll see you in a little bit. What are you doing? Y'all. I'm home. And I gotta cook some dinner, but Kai is not letting me out of his sight. So I'm about to strap this boy to me and get some stuff done. What are you doing? My man trying to climb up there. I'm gonna put him on my back this time. Ugh. Ugh. Y'all, my kids, their dad took them to Chuck E. Cheese. So me and Kai, I'm stuck with the 6th baby while they're out at Chuck E. Cheese. Huh, Kai? What are you doing? Come on. Y'all about to see me attempt to do this. It's not as easy as it looks. Put your foot in. Doing this in the mirror actually is worse than doing it. Because where's the damn strap, that guy? Y'all, this is not easy. Hold on. Whoa! I'm not even done. I just got him strapped on. Okay. Kaka, grab that from me. Hand it to mommy. Here. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Give it to me. Come on, give it. I gotta get. Oh, Kaka. Yes, perfect, Kaka. Stand up for me. Woo! Kaka. All right, just one more. This is not a jumpy. Here, go that way. Come here, look. Come here, this way. I look like I'm smashing, but I'm not, I promise y'all. We're almost there. Yes. Kaka, we did it. We did it. We did it. Here, put your arm up. We did it. We did it. We did it. He's in. 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 Y'all, that took a lot out of me. Anyways, now my baby's in here. Now my baby's in here. We all strapped away. My baby all good and secure. All good and secure, jumping around. Now we about to get some stuff done. So, I will see y'all when I see y'all, because there's no reason that was as hard as it was. Usually I have someone else with me and they just place them on me and I just strap all the things that I need to. But he was like leaning back, so he was like pushing away from me. And that was a lot of work. So anyways, with that being said, that's all done. Let me go clean up. I love y'all.
One step 달려와줘 like a lila 나만 사랑한다고 가져왔던 떨림마저 저 바람결에 사라지는 것 저 푸른 바다 자수 아래 우린 Cadillac Drive Your shine Just take my hand
Look. My baby don't like it. Got to dance with me, don't need no hateration. In this dancery. Y'all. My car is back. Y'all. I finally got my car back. Y'all see how, okay. Y'all see how y'all sit in this car? Is it not way better? I know, look, I'm sorry the quality, but I just stopped at the gas station real quick because I wanted to get myself a drink really quick. But I got my car back, y'all. I'm so happy. Like, I know I look crazy, but this is after life hit me today. This is what I look like. But I ordered some groceries, but they're not coming till the morning time. And I wanted a drink, so this gas station is literally like right one thing about me is if you walk close to my car, I'm gonna watch you the whole time. Like, not me, not today. Wait. I think I forgot my card. Y'all, I can't. One day I will start remembering shit. But today is not that day. What the fudge, man? Yo, I gotta go. I gotta figure out what I'm about to do because I don't got no money. How'd I come to the store without no money? Anyways, y'all, before I go figure out what I'm gonna do at this store, I'm gonna close out today's vlog because I'm gonna start a new one tomorrow. So, remember, like, share, subscribe. I love you guys. Follow my life if you want to continue to see situations like this happen to where I go all the way to the store in the cold. It is like 30 degrees outside to get a drink and forget my freaking card. Anyways, I love y'all. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you're notified when the next video is posted. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Mwah.